Are you looking to turn your mobile app idea into reality, but you don't know where to start? In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the exact process to build an MVP, ensuring you stay on track, on budget, and go to market with confidence. Hi there, my name is Sahil Bora. I'm a software engineer based in Melbourne, Australia, with over 5+ years of industry experience, specialising in developing mobile applications that work with embedded devices. So there are 4 steps in regards to bringing your MVP to life. So the first step that we begin with is defining your vision. So we start out with a detailed consultation to understand the app idea, the target market, and your technical requirements, because it is essential to have a clear vision before building anything. A clear vision helps avoid wasted time and resources. Your MVP should solve a specific problem that serves your target audience. So by the end of this step, you will have a well-defined project plan and a detailed roadmap for the app's development. Step number 2 is develop and integrate so that you get a seamless product. During this stage, we'll start building out the core features of your app, ensuring that it's optimized for performance and user experience. If your app requires any hardware integration, for example IoT or wearables, we'll make sure that your mobile app seamlessly communicates with any necessary firmware, desktop software, or embedded devices. Because building and integrating properly ensures that your apps work smoothly across all platforms and devices, and this avoids any issues with functionality later on. Step number 3, testing and launching, so that you can go to market with confidence. Thorough testing is required before launching the app. This includes usability tests, integration tests if hardware is involved, and performance optimization during the foundation builds of the app. Because rigorous testing ensures that your app performs flawlessly in the real world and avoids bugs that could harm the user experience. And step number 4 is delivering the MVP to you and getting feedback from you so that we can continue to build on it. After launching, the work doesn't stop. You'll need to monitor the user feedback, fix any issues, and optimize the app to keep up with any user demands and market trends. Ongoing updates ensure your app remains competitive and continues to meet business goals. Continuous support helps to ensure your app stays functional and relevant, avoiding any obsolescence or user frustrations over time. Ongoing support can be tailored to your needs. So to recap in this video, the 4 steps to build an MVP is defining your vision, develop and integrate the core features, test and launch with confidence, and delivering the MVP and getting feedback from you. So if you're ready to bring your app idea to life and you need help with your mobile app MVP, click on the link below to book a free call with me today. Let's ensure that you have a clear path to success from the start.